Okay, so this is one of our math pieces. This is about our rise of a run, where we learned to solve for x and to show all that. So this is some of my work. Yeah, it has our graphs with the rise of a run and stuff like that. So originally, during this, we learned all about y is equal to mx plus b. And this is probably one of the most important things that we did learn in 7th grade. And b is the starting point, and x is just what you're increasing by every time. So what I'm underlining at this point is the fact that I did struggle with remembering how to find rise over run, because it's just hard to get it into your mind that you can find it by using a graph. But we went over it all the time, and I learned that rise goes up and down and run goes side to side, because you don't run up and down, because that would be weird. So on this next page was just my work for the lesson. This shows a graph that we did along with a table in which we did solve for x. And so we learned that the run, it goes over 3, as you can see here, and the rise goes up 2. So for rise over run, it would be 2 over 3. So that's represented right here. See, I even wrote it down, which is shocking. So if you scroll down, then you can also see some of the other work that we did. We learned how to find m, which is rise over run, and we also learned how to find b, which is the y-intercept. This is a table. Don't know what that means. This is a table, and we also learned how to use rise over run from a table. So it has, you find how much it's increasing by each time for both the x and the y. And in this table, it increased by 3 each time, and it got progressively bigger by 1 each time. And so then it would be rise over run, and since you're increasing, it would be 1 over 3, or 1/3. So that is the rise right there, and that is the run on the top part, which is pretty much the most important thing that we learned. And I got it wrong. It was 3 over 1. Isn't that shocking? Okay, so yes, I did get it wrong, because the rise is y, and I just assumed to switch it because, x was on top in my table, which is something that is very important that I did learn, is that it is important to make sure that you have the y coordinate on top and the x coordinate on the bottom. So this is some of my work, and then the other is a summary of just what we learned, and this was our rise over run unit in